Welcome back, Wisdomers. Today, we start our massive journey into the Digital Product Architect Specialization, beginning with an intuition on HTML. Let's start with the acronym HTML. HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. But, honestly, memorizing the acronym won't make you an engineer. Understanding its role in full-stack development, that's what matters. Think of a civil engineer. Before they worry about the interior design or the smart home electricity, they have to pour the concrete. They must build the skeleton first. You see, in construction, if the structure of the building is weak, the building collapses, right? HTML in web development is similar to structural engineering. It's not just about coding. A strong understanding of HTML allows you to build well-structured web pages, which is essential for a great-looking and functional application. A full-stack developer uses HTML to define what things are. It's like pointing at empty space and saying, this block is a heading, this one is a paragraph, and this block is an image. The point to be noted in this class is, HTML is to build the wall, not painting the wall. Painting the wall is CSS. While structuring a building, your atoms are pillars, bricks, and beams. In the same way, while structuring a web page, your atoms are HTML elements and tags. In the next class, we will understand what are HTML elements. If you have any questions about this class, please comment below, and please hit subscribe and bell icon so that you don't miss the next class update. You can take the quiz and assignments on the Wisdomers Learning Agent app. The link is right there in the description. See you in the next class.